President Donald Trump signed the Republican tax plan, which would steeply and permanently reduce taxes for corporations while temporarily cutting taxes for many individuals, into law Friday morning, 2 days after it finished its path through Congress. Trump signed the legislation, along with a bill avoiding a government shutdown, without much in the way of celebratory fireworks from the Oval Office, before leaving Washington, D.C., for Florida. "We were going to wait until January 7 or 8 and do a big formal ceremony," Trump said before signing the tax bill, "but every one of the networks were saying, will he keep his promise and will he sign it before Christmas? And so I immediately called and said, let's get it ready." He added that New England Patriots owner and billionaire Bob Kraft called him Thursday night and said the tax bill is incredible. "Corporations are literally going wild over this," he later added. The law, released publicly just last Friday, is the end result of rapid action in Congress over the last month and makes big changes across the tax code. The plan, which maintains the same number of income tax brackets as under current law but adjusts their parameters, cuts individual tax rates, including slashing the top rate for the highest earners from 39.6% to 37% and shifting the top bracket up slightly to income over $600,000 for people filing jointly or $500,000 for single filers. The law also nearly doubles the standard deduction to $12,000 for single filers and $24,000 for joint filers, while suspending the $4,050 personal exemption that can be used for the filer, his or her spouse, and any dependents. Those changes, however, expire at the end of 2025, while the law cuts the corporate tax rate from 35% to 21% permanently. The House, which was forced to vote for the measure for a second time in 2 days because of a procedural issue, passed the bill Wednesday by a vote of 224 to 201. And the Senate passed the measure just after midnight Wednesday in a 51-48 vote, with Vice President Mike Pence presiding. Senator John McCain, who is in Arizona receiving care for complications from his cancer treatment, was the lone Republican who did not cast a vote for the bill in the Senate. Senator Thad Cochran has also been dealing with illness but was able to make it to the chamber and voted for the bill. The Senate vote was interrupted several times by protesters chanting, "Kill the bill, don't kill us." Several protesters were removed from the chamber. When the vote was read out by Pence, a final regular protester yelled, "You have sentenced me to die," as Republicans began applauding the passage of their bill.